Hi people, many times the people is here in my channel from Brazil. People who don't speak English, but they don't know, but I speak a lot of languages around the world. But persons arrive here trying a solution for things that I think so easy to solve day by day. But in your countries, there's no persons to make quadcopters repair. And a lot of times I help people here to solve that situations. Well, for today, I have fun here in my house. Look at that. The first one, the arm is broken. Other arm broken. Oh, broken here too. And don't function. Oh, wonderful. This is the first one. Okay, I have the second one here. Oh. Well, the third one, I'm finishing this repair. This battery was without life, and I make burn again. Look wonderful, but this is my difficult job. There are many things that the owners can to solve in your own house, and now I will help you with some situation. I've here in my hands a quadcopter Sg908. According to the owner, this quadcopter has a bad move at the gimbal. This is so simple to solve. I will make this repair easily, and I will talk to you how you make the clean, how you make the gimbal function again. Let's go. I need to look what is the situation now. All the line SG, you need to turn on your control and turn on your quadcopter at the same time. Look, the bind system is too perfect when you turn on the control and the quadcopter at the same time. Perfect. Let me see anything here. Look. The owner says that this quadcopter is not safe to fly. And I believe because the light is shining. I need to leave the shine fixed. Without fix, I have no security for flight. Now it's fixed, but the gimbal is bad. The first thing I need to do here for start this job is calibrate this quadcopter. Look the battery. The battery is talking that I'm not secured for flight. What? Terrible. Well, battery damaged. I need to repair the battery too. Okay, I will repair. Let me use this other battery. When you finish the job with your quadcopter, you need to get up the battery of the quadcopter. It's hot. You need to leave for stay cool and dry. Okay. I need to calibrate this quadcopter for start this job. This battery is perfect. This one I need to repair. Wonderful. Look, the gimbal. It has some move, but the 30 motor without job. In this work, I will talk about this situation. This quadcopter fell down, and now You are looking around in all the places for this job. You are looking that I'm doing the repair. I need first calibrate this quadcopter. Press and hold the button to make pictures. No, the button of film, of videos. Only the picture button. Well done, guy. Now the lights are fixed, and this light is fixed too. If any light is shining, you are not safe for flight. Well, let me see if the gimbal turn down and turn up. No, it's here. Well, turn down and turn up, perfect. The second one is perfect too. No, it's not perfect because the gimbal is disarmed. And I need, well, look, I need to hold here. Look, the second is good, but the third one has no function. I need to make this quadcopter safe for fly, and I was now calibrating the compass, and now I need to look the gyroscope. It's so dangerous, but I'm here for cross the danger. No, gyroscope is perfect. All the four motors are perfect. Okay, I will show to you, and I'm showing in any place here. The first steps for left, the quadcopter, safe, again for fly. I will repair the third one and left it perfect. But any times your gimbal don't move. Don't move. These motors, the three motors of this gimbal, are not brushless. They are the common motors for quadcopter for shield. And I need to prepare the third motor, and then I need to make this gimbal safe again for fly. And I will continue again this job talking about the gimbal. But here in this video, in this job, you are looking all the steps that I need to cross for make this quadcopter safe without grow new damage in this quadcopter. Okay, you need to be careful. If in your country there's not a professional for repair your quadcopter, you need to be careful. If you need to do something, make with security. The first step, use gloves. The second step, look my job, because I know a lot of things. Cling, cling. Well, guys, in this step, I need to solve a problem here with a small piece that make this gimbal fixed. This is the gimbal sensor in the line Sg. All the quadcopters Sg have the same system. I will show it for you. And I've aligned the black line or GND. It's broken. There's no energy crossing throughout this piece here. Look, I will show it for you. This make the control of the gimbal. It's placed here. Look, I have the gimbal, and this piece is fixed together the third motor. Let me replace it for show to you. Look, it's here. It's placed together the third motor, but it has the function to control all the two motors. And the third motor too. Let's go. I will replace it, and I will make this gimbal function again. Well, guys, let me see what I've made here in this gimbal. The front lights need to be only red. If the front light is red and blue, this light, you have problem. And you are looking that all the lights are shining. Look now. I need to do the calibration because I stand it up the top of this quadcopter. The first step and the second step. Look at the light here. Now this quadcopter is safe to fly. It's looking for GPS signal. The gimbal has all the function and now I have GPS signal. The quadcopter is perfect and it is safe to fly. Really safe to fly. Look. Good. Okay. This is my new job. Now this quadcopter is perfect. Wonderful. A hug, friends.